Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay ang kantang LDR by Shotty. Okay? Pero bago natin simulan tong video tutorial natin for today, kung bago ka lang sa akin channel, please subscribe and hit the notification down below para updated ka sa mga bagong video na i-upload natin. Okay? So, ang mga chords natin guys, sa buong kanta guys, 4 lang. So, mga chords na yun ay F major 7, G, C major 7, at A minor. Paulit-ulit lang yun hanggang matapos mo yung buong kanta. So yung fret nga pala, so yung fret lagay nyo sa, yung capo lagay nyo sa 5th fret. So, itong mga boxes na ito, tawag dyan fret. So, first box is 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, and 5th fret. Okay? And then, ang bilang ng string is 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 4th string, 5th string, and 6th string. Okay? So, simulan natin sa F major 7, guys. So, sa F major 7, lalagay mo lang yung index mo dito sa 2nd string, middle finger mo dito sa 3rd string, ring finger mo dito sa 4th string. F major 7 yan, guys. And then, punta ka ng G. So, yung G, lagay mo lang yung pinky mo dito sa 1st string, ring finger mo sa 2nd string, middle finger mo dito sa 6th string, index mo dito sa 5th string. After mo ng G, punta ka ng C major 7. Middle finger mo dito sa 4th string, ring finger mo dito sa 5th string. C major 7. And then last chord is yung E minor. E minor guys, lagay mo lang index mo dito sa 2nd string, middle finger mo dito sa 4th string, ring finger mo dito sa 3rd string. Ayan, so yun yung chords natin sa buong kanta. And then ang strumming pattern natin sa buong kanta guys ay 3 down lang. 1, 2, 3. Tapos lipat ka ng chords. Okay, paulit-ulit lang yan. So tara guys, kantahin na kagad natin siya. Game. I don't want love if love isn't from you. I don't want her if she isn't you. You're always on my mind, that's how much I care. I can't think of a time that you weren't there. I know that I'd be lying if I didn't want you here, 'cause baby I'm in love, and why can't you just leave me here? So, yun guys, ganun lang siya kadali. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong video tutorial natin for today. And kung nagustuhan nyo guys, please like and share and comment down below na rin guys kung meron kayong gustong matutunong kanta. Baka sakaling magawa natin sa susunod ng video tutorial guys. Okay? So comment lang kayo. Yun lang guys, kita-kits na lang tayo ulit sa susunod na video na i-upload ko. Bye guys!